Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to make highlights on Instagram. It's quite an easy process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea of how you can do this. So highlights are simple stories that last a little longer. So if you want to make a highlight, you can either click on the new button here and select any story from your archive, or you can go ahead and click on the top right corner, click on archive, and you can select something from here. Now let's see, I like this and I want to make this into a highlight. All you have to do is press on it and then you can click on highlight on the bottom right corner. You can either put this into an existing highlight or create a new one by clicking on the new button. So once you do this, you can give the highlight a title, and once you've given that, click on add, and that is it. The highlight is now created. You can go back to your profile and view it. So there you go. This was the highlight that we just created. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make highlights on Instagram. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.